What's going on, guys? Jet here today. I almost said Jet, but either or works. Today we are changing out her headlights, and then we're going to do the engine work and then get the bumpers on, and hopefully everything will be set. So far I got one headlight out, headlight off, it's right down there. That's what the other one looks like. And we got new ones up there, and we'll show you when they're on the car for a little bit of a surprise. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and be sure to subscribe. Headlights are off. We have to bolt them in, but that's what it's going to look like. I don't know how to bolt. Sick. Alright guys, that's what they look like. Got the black on black. Look pretty nice. I dig it. Now, engine work. you can stop recording. Alright, so now that it's clean most of the way, we're going to use this waterless wash and wax on it. I've heard good things about it right here. It's not too expensive, but we're taking it with a microfiber towel and getting it down with the whole car. So yeah, I'll show you guys some of what it looks like with it on.
There's still some water down here.
Looks nice. So, did you get the wing already?
Yep.
I have the bestest girlfriend in the world. Now I gotta do this side. Eventually, when I have a good solid weekend, maybe the day that I do my clutch, I'm gonna take these off, have Tay soap them down and wash them really good because they are pretty dirty. So yeah, there's all of our puppies. Trying to get one kitty over there, and there's my little sister. So. Alright, so I'm driving to my mom's right now, but hope you guys enjoyed the little video. We changed out the headlights. You're my puppy. We changed out the headlights. I think we're gonna order some taillights for her car as well. They aren't too expensive. And when we left, her dad was doing some stuff, engine work, and that's what I put in. I'm gonna hopefully I learned how to speed it up so you don't have to sit there and watch the whole thing. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Please leave a like, comment, and of course always subscribe. And always remember, send it.